teacher Sheena. Since we are done exploring the Microsoft Word user interface, we will now proceed in modifying page size, orientation, and margin in the Word document. So, our goal for today is first, makahibaw mo sa steps ug unsaon pag-apply sa page size, page orientation, and margin sa Word document, and maka-create mo a Word document with the correct page size, page orientation, and margin. Before we start, let's get to know these features first. Let's start with page size. It refers to the actual dimensions of a document's page. Common sizes includes letter, A4, legal, and etc. Next is the page orientation. It refers to the layout of a page, determining whether it is displayed or printed vertically or horizontally. Lastly is the page margin. Is the blank space around the edges of a page. It keeps the text away from the edges and makes the document look neat and easy to read. So now, let's proceed on the steps on how to apply page size, orientation, and margin. Sa inyong desktop, open the Word software. And then, kung ma-open na nimo, kung namoy existing nga file, just click it. If kung wala, kay click the document. So, click the blank document. And then, nanata sa document area. So, now, to apply page size is muadto ka sa layout tab. Diri sa layout tab. And then, i-click nimo ang sa page setup, diri nimo makit-an ang size. So, click the size. And then, if maklik na nimo siya, na siya yung mga pagpipilian nga mga choices kung unsa imong gusto nga size. Either letter, the legal, the Mexico legal, India legal, executive, A4, A5, A6, folio, and etc. Let's click the legal. Then it will automatically adjust. And if you want to customize your size, click ulit ang size. Then click more paper sizes. And fill upan nimo kung unsa imong prefer nga width and height sa imong paper, then click OK and it will automatically adjust sa imong document. Nakuha ba, students? Okay, so next is the steps on how to apply page orientation sa Word document. Since na naman ta sa ato ang Word document, ang page orientation kay makit-an ra gyapon siya sa layout tab and makita na siya sa page setup nga group. And makita na to nga ang page size tapad ra siya sa orientation. So to apply this, click the orientation. And the orientation is pili ra ka kung portrait, kung tindog, kung landscape, kung pahigda. So click na to ang landscape. Then it will automatically adjust. And kung gusto kag portrait, click nimo balik ang orientation and click the portrait one. And kung gusto man nato landscape. And then let's proceed sa pag-apply og margin sa Word document. So ang margin makit-an ra siya sa layout niya tab and makit-an ra gyapon siya sa page setup nga group. And makita nato nga tapad ra sila sa orientation o sa on size. And to apply this, click the margin. And i-click na to, daghan tag makita niya pagpipilian nga mga margins na ay normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and etc. For example, ato i-click ang narrow. and it will automatically adjust. Here, makita nato nga ni-adjust siya. And if you want to customize your margin, click the margin again and click the customs margin and i-fill up nimo kung sa imong preferred nga margin dili. Kung pila yang top, yang left, yang gutter, yang bottom pila, yang right pila, and yang gutter position kung left or top, and click OK. Then mo adjust na siya. So mo na siya ang apply sa page size, orientation, and margin sa Word document.
To sum it up, we learned that page size is the width and height of a page, like letter, legal, or A4. The page orientation is the direction of the page, either portrait or landscape. And page margin are the blank spaces around the page edges that makes text neat, and it can be normal, narrow, wide, or custom. And you can navigate these features in Layout tab in the Page Setup group. That's all great for pupils. We will continue the customizing font type, style, size, color, and text alignment in my next video. I hope you learned something today. And see you on my next video tutorial. Bye!